Hey everybody, how you doing today? So since I received the GPD Win 3, I've been asked a lot of questions like how to actually repair it and what is like using it for long term. Now one thing I'll talk about right here is these knobs, as you can see. Now these are replaceable, okay, and you can replace it from the GPD website, or you can just get them, some retail third party retails. Um, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get something from the third party, which is it's out there in our stores in Saudi Arabia. So I'm trying to replace these knobs. Like for example, if I take out this knob here, and you can see how small it is, and compared to what you have in a PlayStation 5, for example, PlayStation 5 controller does have the same like knobs, but does it fit in that area? That's the question we're gonna ask. Oh, actually, we're gonna answer. So yeah, I'm gonna get the one for in the store, the third party, and I'm gonna show you what type of third party equipments to be installed here. And if you have experience with the other third parties, let me know in the comment section below, because we're gonna do try to replace these knobs as soon as possible, because with time it's you need to replace things, like just like your car, you need to change your oils, sometimes you change your tires. Here with GPD Win 3, you need to actually maintain this amazing product, because you never know, in the future you might not get something like this later on. So it's a gem, and we're still looking for improvement. So yeah, this is just a quick update regarding these knobs and GPD Win 3. I'll be posting more videos inshallah soon. And take care everybody, and see you in another video.